Just cleans it.
Look at that.
Damn, so you need some WD for your neck. So we're literally 1 week away from Lonestar Throwdown. Working on next excursion. Bumper's still not on. Still gotta put brand new wheels on. Still gotta put a brand new lift on. The crunch is real. Crunch has begun. But it will be done, and it will be at Lonestar Throwdown next weekend. We do take off next Friday. Yeah, nice little challenger right there on some Forgiato flows. Customer cracked his wheel, welded it for him. We do fix wheels. My truck. Slingshot is for sale. Asking price is $19,900 or best offer. Does have Tiara grill, dub wheels. So what are you about to do? What is it?
Some DW40, make them look nice.
Is this what you learned so far, that this cleans it?
Look at that.
Damn, so you need some WD for your neck. Come on.
Ready for this too? What?
I am. You? What the fuck? Why not?
See that?
Let's see. We can't, we're not. Catch it at LST. We leave next Friday.
You think I should post the wheels like before or after LSP?
Fuck no. Once we put them on, before we take off, then you post a picture of the wheels. Y'all can't see the wheels because he has to be the first one. They're going to see him on this truck right here next Friday. About to head out to LST 2019 Dodge Ram 30x16s, and we're running 3-inch spacers. Truck I took to SEMA last year. Took the 2816s that had on and off. Ran 30s. It drives way better now. I don't know if it was the tires or the wheels, but it rode horrible. I couldn't go 70 miles per hour. So put these on, hit 70, no shake or nothing. Damn, she fine. No shake or nothing. So we're gonna drive all the way, see how it goes. Got about a 3.5 hour drive, so should be good. Yeah, they're putting the straps on it right now. Jose got his brand new 2614s. I'll go follow my boy. This truck's owned by this faggot right here. Damn, that bitch see Lou got down on this grill.
Esa no cabe. Is that one smaller though, right?
A ver, ellos están grandota, güey.
That one, man. Hey, le voy a decir al señor, hey, llámale un poco.
Yeah, nice little 3.5 hour drive, but waiting on one more truck. Don't be scared of the camera. Don't be scared of the camera, man. Yes, there is a black guy that owns this truck right here. He is black. Made it to Conroe. I made it last night. I'm just not recording though. 4-hour drive on 30s and a 21-inch lip and 3-inch adapters. Badass trucks everywhere.
Got your wallet there?
Yeah. Man, it's a 30-minute drive there too, so 30-minute drive there, 30-minute drive back.
Yeah.
But it's a nice ass neighborhood though. I ain't tripping. Like we're right on, it's right by the lake. Got a like a community pool and all that stuff.
That sounds like what we.
Yeah, by Lake Conroe?
Yep.
That's where I met. I'm in Walden. I'm in Walden. It's a house they got for sale, so he just put it on Airbnb.
Oh, okay.
And who did just buy it? Maximum altitude. These are the 18 wides, right?
Yeah.
Charles, you need to, you gotta delete it, man.
I know your truck so sound good. That truck you driving sound good.
This shit is all over deleted. I think you're the only one who deleted it, besides the gassers. What the hell? That was the Hemi.
Somebody took his ball.
Damn.
What y'all gonna do? Y'all ready to ride? I'm ready to pull in. What? Right up on the seat.
That bitch is bad though.
That's you right there.
I know. I'm just tripping. But homeboy wants to buy my truck though, so.
You gonna do a spoiler like this?
Like to see you, see that thing. All I do, I make moves. murder on my mind. Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47, Mac 11, Glock 9s, and all these pussies.